Fun Friday. You've made it a whole week in Oyemi. You're doing great. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to fill in a piece of a hundreds chart. So it's just like a hundreds chart that's cut out. It's a section of it cut out here and here. We already know what this is. We just have a few more to practice. What place is it in? The value and the place. Skip counting. Here it tells us we're going to count by 100. And here we're going to count by 10. So let's get started. It's fun. It's Friday. Let's do it. So here I have 85 inside of this piece of a hundreds chart. We know the rule with our compass. Plus 10, minus 10, plus 1, minus 1. So let's do the easiest one right now. I have 85 right here in the middle. If I go this way, plus 1, that would give me 86. If I go this way, minus 1, that would be 84. So notice the tens place stays the same because it's just the ones place that's changing. And if you look, it's in order 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going up and down. Up, subtract 10, down, add 10. Up, 75. See, because I have 80, if I subtract 10, I would be at 70. Add 10, 95. Notice my ones place stays the same. It's my tens place that changes. And if you'd like to check your work, you can always flip back to maybe Thursday and you can look at your hundreds chart, 85, and look at the numbers around it, 86, 84, 75, and 95. So this was the little part that was cut out right there. See? Easy peasy. Here we have 11. We know beside 11 would be 12 because I'm adding 1. Now I'm changing the tens place. So 1 is going to be the same and 1 is going to be the same. Now if I subtract 1 from my 10 here, it's just going to be 1. If I add a 10, I would have 2. 2 tens. Now it's really easy now because we know once I go beside it, I'm just adding 1. So 21, this would be 22. 1, this would be 2. And once again, you can go to a different day of the week and you can look at where number 11 is and look what's beside it. Look what's above and below it and then circle that whole box. So let's look for 11 right here. What's beside it, what's up and below it, right there. 1, 2, 11, 12, 21, 22. 1, 2, 11, 12, 21, 22. We've got it. That was fun. It's just like a puzzle. Here I have 142. 142. So the place is the hundreds place. That's underlined. See? And the value is 100. Here I have 62. The place, I only have two place values here, the 10 and the ones. The place is the ones place, and the value is 2. 365. The underlined number is 5. The place is the ones place, and the value is just 5. The next number is 281. We haven't underlined anything in this place value today. We have 2 hundreds, 8 tens, and 1 1. The 8 tens has a value of 80. Here I have 18. The place is the same place as the previous one. How is that possible? Well, it's because I have the ones, and the next value is the tens place. This one just happened to have hundreds. This one doesn't have any hundreds. And the value is just 10 because the number is 18. 18 comprises of 10 and 8. 1 10 and 8 ones. So here I am with my skip counting. With the skip counting, remember we always look at patterns with all of our numbers. So here I'm counting by hundreds. I have 53, that is the same. I have 53, that is the same. 53 will be the same for each number. Because I'm counting by hundreds, the hundreds place is going to change. Here I have 200 and 600. 200, 300, 400, 500, and there's that 600 that was already there. Once again, I'm going to count by hundreds. Here I start with the same two. I have to figure out what the other two are. I figure I have 24, 600, 700. This will be 824. And here I have 924. What changed? The hundred, which is exactly what my direction said. The hundred place is changing. For this last one, I'm counting by tens. We've been practicing all week. Here I have the same in the ones place, 9, 9, and 9. What's going to change is my tens place. So here I have 29, 39, 40. What stays the same? 9. 50. What's the same? 9. And 60. What is the same? 9. I know you got that correct because you are a budding genius. And even if you didn't, it is practice. So next week, we will be back here, 10 o'clock in the morning. The video will be uploaded. You have all week to see it. Make sure you take your 15 minutes, practice, and I will see you Monday. Have a great weekend. Hi, my budding geniuses. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you have your book so you can follow along. Practice on your own for 15 minutes and then log in to review the lesson. Remember, there's a purpose for your life. If you stay focused, you can say, Oyemi, I understand. See you tomorrow. Bye now.